In a world reshaped by the fall of colonial empires, one man stood at the front of Zambia's march to freedom, a teacher, a revolutionary, a leader. This is the story of Kenneth Kaunda, Zambia's founding father. Born in 1924 in northern Rhodesia, what we now call Zambia, Kaunda was the son of a schoolteacher and missionary. He followed in his father's footsteps as an educator, but his vision stretched far beyond the classroom. In the 1950s, as colonial rule began to tremble, Kaunda emerged as a leading voice for independence. He formed the United National Independence Party, or UNIP, and led powerful non-violent protests against British rule. In 1964, Kenneth Kaunda became the first president of an independent Zambia. Clad in his trademark safari suit and often seen with a guitar in hand, he promoted unity, education, and African socialism. But Kaunda's legacy didn't stop at Zambia's borders. He was a fierce opponent of apartheid in South Africa and white minority rule in neighboring Rhodesia. He offered refuge to liberation movements across the continent. Still, his time in office wasn't without struggle. One-party rule, economic decline, and rising unrest eventually led Kaunda to step down after democratic elections in 1991. A rare, peaceful transition in African politics at the time. Even after leaving office, Kaunda remained a symbol of peace, dignity, and African unity, often mediating conflicts and promoting HIV/AIDS awareness, especially after losing a son to the disease. Kenneth Kaunda passed away in 2021, aged 97. His life was one of service, sacrifice, and song, a reminder that freedom, once won, must always be nurtured. He was not just Zambia's founding father, he was one of Africa's great dreamers, and his dream still lives on.